Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sham. I am a color matcher at the workshop Mixing Carpaint of Colors. I live in a small town called Batam, which is located on the island of Batam in Indonesia. Okay, yes. I direct this video to color lovers in cars, especially to fellow color matchers around the world. Nice to meet you. I will share how to mix car paint colors with the latest unique colors. So I hope with these videos and the next we can get to know each other and can share knowledge about how to mix car paint of colors. Suzuki Iginis and the name of color code is CMM. And of course so that we can get to know each other, I also hope that I can be neped by like, comment, share and subscribe my video, so that you can continue to follow the next videos. So for these who have subscribed to my videos, I pray that all of you are in good health and that your life will always be lucky in all things. Amin. Wassalam. Bye.
Okay. First we pour brilliant red tinter coat about 35 grams. After first we pour enough binder well. Here brilliant red is for the side effect to make it look reddish.
Then we pour another tinter coat whose name is Pearl Cooper 16.8 grams. This is to make the inside look orange, slightly metallic silvery. Then we pour the name Pearl Red 4 grams only, so that from the front view there is a slightly reddish effect that slightly reduces the gold effect of the previous Pearl Cooper. To the side we add more so that it is not too bright red. Then we use 15-gram rose red tinter coat so that the pinky effect looks. Well, here we pour the main color of the manufacture of this color as a whole, that is, pour 30 grams of crystal gold tinter coat, and this is so that the orange we make will have a diamond element. The golds are yellowish rather rough so that it becomes clearer and becomes reddish orange. For a little bit dark side view, then we pour black 3.5 grams. Lastly, to refine the gold so it's not too rough, we reduce by using a tinter coat called Pearl Gold Yellow approximately 3.5 grams. This is the result after being sprayed on the plate, quite very similar to the original color or the color of the tank cap sample. Okay, guess? What do you all think, who watched this video of mine? And the same goes for the results after being sprayed on painted car doors after being varnished or coated with a clear coat. Wow, so similar to the previous paint color, is not it? Okay, guess? This is where our video tutorial ends. Next time we will meet again with other videos and with other car colors. Please support my channel by subscribing and sharing with other car color lovers. Nice to meet again. Bye.